Are you looking for the best nose hair trimmers? In this video, we will look at some of top 4 nose hair trimmers on the market.
Number 4. Great vacuum feature. The Panasonic ER430K groomer is very similar to other models we tested, but what sets it apart is the inclusion of a fan-powered vacuum function that captures and contains stubble as it's created. We found the vacuum wasn't perfect as it didn't catch every stray hair, our tester observed, but it does serve its purpose. Far fewer hairs go on the loose with this nose hair trimmer than with any of the non-vacuum equipped models. On the downside, the addition of the fan motor significantly decreases the battery.
Number 3. Best bang for the buck. The Wall Trimmer 5545-400 is a comprehensive manscaping tool for many male facial needs and comes at a great price. It works like a standard nose hair trimmer and then some. The included slide cutter clicks into place and includes various guards for length adjustment. Our tests rendered a 4.5 hours runtime, which is
Number 2. Best rechargeable. The shower is a great place to get this personal chore done as it makes cleaning up simpler, explains our lead tester. One of the ways it pulls off the feat of being shower-ready is by use of an internal rechargeable battery, negating the need for any sort of battery cover where water can come in. And buying batteries will seem old-fashioned, as this trimmer can recharge. Number 1. Best overall nose trimmer. Looking for a do-all detail trimmer? With excellent nose and hair trimming capabilities, as well as packing additional attachments to assist with detailing work and eyebrow cleanup, the Philips Norelco 5000 may have all you need to keep your own kissable face looking good between shaves. I was impressed with the Philips Norelco 5000 slide-style trimmer attachment to fix up my beard and neckline. It works so well I don't see the need in buying a separate trimmer for those jobs, beams our bearded lead tester.